Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Such a Beautiful Life. Today I am going to take you through an international beauty subscription that is Lip Monthly for the month of August 2017. So this subscription is a little different from the other beauty subscription, mainly because it, as the name says, they focuses only on lips. So every month you get around 4 to 5 customized deluxe lip products, which have a retail value from anywhere between $40 to $80. And this is an international subscription. They ship everywhere. I have been subscribing to Lip Monthly for the past almost 8 9 months, and I have been liking my experience. I mean, some of the times it's not always that you get the best of the products or the products which you like, but most of the time they are good products, and I have been using them all the time. I have been gifting them to my friends, and I think being in India, getting so many international brands in a subscription bag, and that too full size lip products, is really a wonderful thing. So, the details of how you can subscribe to it will be there below. Uh, However, let's go ahead and see what I received in my August 2017 Lip Monthly bag. The only grouse I have with this bag is they generally ship late and you receive the product late. So many a times the August subscription reaches to you in September. So I mean, though it's a prepaid subscription, I have received this subscription just 4 days ago. So it's an August subscription received in September. Anyway, I am all excited, and just let's go ahead and have a look at the products inside. So I'm just going to open this envelope which I received. So inside this envelope I received this bag. It's a purple colored cloth bag which says good vibes. It's a pretty ordinary bag, and I think it's not a very nice product, and with a Lip Monthly written behind, nothing great. So let's go ahead and open them. So it's stuffed completely, and as you can see, it is full. So you have a card for August 2017 with saying, "Hail Lip Lover, can you believe summer is almost over?" Anyway, I mean, all blah blah. I mean, it has details of 4 products and the cost written on it. So the retail value of this bag is $60, and as I just mentioned earlier, I have paid $67 for 4 months. So it's really good, and I have received 4 products. One is a Bella Pear lipstick which retails for $20. Larazzi lip gloss which retails for $20, Estate lip liner which retails for $10, and DLS lipstick which retails for $10. So let's go ahead and see. I mean the shades. I'm really excited because this time we have got all 4 lip products. So let me just get them out one by one. Let me remove the first one which comes in my hand. So the first one I have removed is Bella Pear Cosmetics. It's a lipstick shade Fierce, and I mean this is I have received Bella Pear lipsticks earlier also, and they are pretty good. I mean, they are nice, creamy, smooth. Of course, they don't stay for long, but the quality is very nice. It's called Fierce. I don't think, I mean, it's a brownish copperish shade, I believe. Let's open and just go ahead and see. So this is how the lipstick, it's very classy, it's packed well, and let me open it. Oh, So this is the sort of shade that you have. As I thought, I mean, it it does show on it. I mean, the packaging gives you a hint to it. Uh, it's a copperish brown color. It's a metallic. I think metallic is in these days, but I don't like them. I mean, and I think I have an Indian olive skin. This sort of metallic colors really don't go well on us. Uh, Maybe I'll gift it to someone who would like to use it. So, this is the first product which I received in the Lip Monthly. The second product which I got uh, is this. It's a Dirty Little Secret, again a lipstick. It's a cute packing, with all the small polka dots. And let's go ahead and see it. It's a quite a plain packaging. I have used this Dirty Little Secrets also. It's an okayish product. Let's see the shade. The shade is called Pillow Talk. Oh, this is, I don't know, is it a lipstick? Oh, it's absolutely a nude color. I don't know how this is going to be used. Let me just swatch it for you and see. So as you can see, it's hardly visible. I don't know, I mean, how anyone is going to use it. So till now, both the shades I have not liked. I hope, I'm just keeping my fingers crossed, the next two shades are good. So the third product which I am getting is Estate Lip Crayon, and this is a cruelty free, paraben free product. Let's open it and see. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. I hope I like this product. Okay, so I think the bottom of the crayon actually indicates the color, and it looks like a nice plumish color, a mauve color, which is typically something that can be used everywhere. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So here it comes. I'm swatching it here. Oh, it's a nice shade. I mean, it's nice. It's smooth, and the color is very nice. I think it will go with many of the darker shades which we use, and I love this. I think I'm going to use this very often, and I'm happy because it's a cruelty free product. So this is the third product. Yay, at least one I liked. Now let's go to the last one. Last one is a Larizzi lip gloss. Uh, well, let's see. I mean, I am not a big fan of lip gloss. So I had a choice for a color, and I chose this color. So this is again, this is the shade I got. It's a Larizzi High Gloss, and again this is a brand which is paraben free, cruelty free, and it's a good brand. I have used this earlier, and the products are nice. So let's watch this too. At least I'm happy. This is also something which I think I can use. Let's go ahead. So this is the last product. I hope I don't spill them. Okay, can you see it? I mean, it's a okay, it's a nice color. So these are the swatches of the 4 products I received, and I think I like the I liked the Larizzi lip gloss and the Estate lip liner. However, so these are the 4 products which we received. I liked 2 of the products that I got in this bag, and 2 are absolutely something which I don't think I can use. I don't know anyone who is going to use them also. But all in all, I think it's worth it. Sometimes you do get a mix. This is not the best of the bags that one received. However, I think the next one would be good, and let's look forward to the next one. I hope you enjoyed watching this review, and do subscribe and give a thumbs up to the channel if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Bye. See you.